In our options trading course, we will be utilizing the Thinkorswim platform, an electronic trading platform owned by Charles Schwab Corporation. Thinkorswim is widely recognized for its comprehensive suite of tools and features tailored for self-directed traders in stocks, options, and futures markets. With Thinkorswim, traders have access to an array of advanced trading tools, including customizable charts, real-time market data, technical indicators, and sophisticated options analytics. The platform also offers advanced order types, risk management tools, and a paper trading feature for practicing strategies in a simulated environment. While we will be demonstrating our strategies and techniques using the Thinkorswim platform, it's important to note that our course focuses on teaching the fundamental concepts of options trading that are applicable across various trading systems. Whether traders use Thinkorswim or another options trading platform provided by their brokerage, the core principles of options trading remain consistent. Our course emphasizes understanding option contracts, analyzing market trends, implementing various options strategies, and managing risk effectively. These principles can be applied to any trading platform, allowing traders to adapt our methods to their preferred system seamlessly. By focusing on the fundamental concepts rather than platform-specific features, our course ensures that traders can apply their knowledge across different trading environments. Whether using Thinkorswim or another platform, traders will be equipped with the skills and techniques needed to navigate the options market confidently and profitably.